When you watch this video, you will not eat margarine again. Margarine is cheaper than butter, and the truth is that there is a good reason for it to be. It is flooded with unhealthy trans fats, causing various diseases and diseases. If you are a loyal consumer, today we give you some reasons not to consume margarine. Are you ready to meet them? 4 reasons not to consume margarine. 1. Related to serious illness. Margarine is linked to the risk of heart attack, diabetes and even cancer, all because of its high trans fat content. So much so, according to researchers at Harvard University in the United States, consuming half a teaspoon of margarine, more than 1 teaspoon, increases the chance of having a heart attack by 50%. There are alarming figures. It seems that people on a Western diet eat more than twice the recommended trans fats per day. 2. Margarine and trans fats in numbers. Margarine can have up to 15% trans fats. Butter contains 3% trans fats. Industrial-grade baked margarine can be made up of up to 30% trans fats. 3. The danger of exceeding the daily maximum to ingest trans fats. The maximum refers to what can be consumed without it being detrimental to health. Do you know how much it is? Only 2 grams. Or what is equal to half a donut. If you could get your bad cholesterol to go up and good cholesterol will decrease, as well as contribute to the blockage of the arteries, increase tension and promote obesity. 4. Other conditions derived from the consumption of trans fats. Unfortunately, a few more make up the list of diseases that we can contract if we consume excess trans fats, from type 2 diabetes, lymphoma, prostate cancer, liver problems, and female infertility. 5. Attacks on the heart. The above is no small thing, but it remains to be added that heart attacks are more than likely when the diet includes excess trans fats. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.